it sounds like, Tommy, when do I stop investing and get to enjoy everything I've made? Is that the right question you're trying to ask me?
Yes, exactly. Yes.
Well, do you have kids?
Yes, I have a son.
So would you want to pass on your wealth to him in some
Yes,
way?
that would be, yes, I would.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
definitely.
Well, your main priority would be, hey, let me save my money for college for him or whatever it is. But also, the main thing is that, TJ, if in 20 years or 15 years, you're 100% debt free, meaning you own your home, right? You own your car. You have, for example, Social Security coming in or whatever it is, right? Well, that's kind of like unrealistic there. But you have everything taken care of, right? Your expenses are very, very low. And if you've been investing correctly and you have $48,000 in income coming in, what else do you need money for? That's enough money to go out there, travel, buy the car you want to buy and everything else. Does that make sense?
Yes,
So
it does. It does.
if you want to, right, there's the option that you say, well, I'm going to go nuclear here, Tommy. I'm 70 years old. The average woman might live to around like 80 or 75 years old. So I'm going to go ahead and just take out all my money and spend all of it. Well, you better hope you don't last longer, right?
Yeah,
and,
dang.
and that's the main thing, right? So I'd rather, for example, say I'm going to take out, or you can be, by the way, 4% is very conservative. The guy that created the rule changed it to 5%, I think, because it's very conservative. So you want to change it to like 5% or 10%. The idea is if you do 4%, you're guaranteed not to lose money for at least 33 years. You won't run out of money. Because if the worst thing happens, for example, a crazy depression, recession after the recession, then that's a problem. But you want to make sure you don't run out of money. So that's why 4% is so conservative, but it's also so secure. If you want to go a little higher, let's say you're 70 or 80, and you say, well, I want to take out 10% or 5% or 7%. That's fine, right? But understand there's a possibility that you might run out of money, especially if the market becomes depressed.
You've got to start